Hello everyone and welcome to Harvest Moon Tarot. Today we will unbox and flip through Precious Gems Oracle by Maxine Gadd. The set is 6.75 by 5 inches or 17 by 12.5 centimeters. The set is published by Blue Angel. Welcome to an exquisite, delicate and powerful realm where the magic and wisdom of gemstones come to life. Discover the face of amethyst, look emerald in the eye, and delight in the reflective splendor of moonstone personified. Renowned and beloved artist, Maxine Gadd has fused the wonder of her imaginarium with the world of gemstones to create an oracle that flawlessly unites practical, earth-based guidance with blessings and higher knowledge. Each card puts a face to a gemstone, so you can relate to its energy on a personal level. The informative and comprehensive guidebook includes physical and healing properties of 40 precious stones, associations, interesting facts, and cultural uses, unique gem-themed layouts for readings or contemplation, affirmations to help you attune to the vibration, messages, and healing of the gemstones, inspired verse and divinatory meanings by Leela J. Williams. The set comes in hard cardboard box. The book. Contents: introduction, card spreads, card messages about the author. Introduction. Card spreads. Card messages. The information includes black and white copy of the card, the number, the name, and the keyword of the card, information on the card, divinatory meaning, and affirmations. About the author. What else is available from the publisher? The cards. The cards are 5.5 by 3.75 inches or 14 by 9.5 centimeters. The cards are not reflective. Abalone shell, calmness. Alexandrite, good fortune. Amethyst, sobriety. Angel aura, communication. Aquamarine, clarity and compromise. Atlanticite, emotional purity. Bloodstone, protection. Bornite, joyfulness. Chalcedony, conversion, Dalmatian stone, inner child, diamond, illumination, emerald, successful love, fool's gold, protective armor, garnet, passion, green jade, meaningful dreams, imperial topaz, generosity, labradorite, serendipity, lapis lazuli, self-knowledge, malachite, transformation, moonstone, rhythms, orange agate, vibrancy, pearl, nurture, peridot, rejuvenation, Picasso jasper, nature, picture jasper, artistry, red coral, fruitfulness, rose quartz, love and compassion, rose zircon, integrity, ruby, self-actualization, sapphire, insight, sea opal, yin and yang, snowflake obsidian, transparency, star sapphire, peace, sugilite, kindred spirits, tiger's eye, stability, turquoise, friendship, unakite, growing together, vermarine, a bridge, yellow jasper, learning, zebra jasper, engagement. This is the end of the deck. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching. Have a lovely day.